Oh no, here it comes. What's this? A warning or a watch? So we're supposed to watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 649, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Durham, Franklin, Granville, Harnett, Johnson, Lee, Moore, Orange, Person, Randolph, Vance, Wake, and Warren.
The weathers are not usually where they are right now because the room where I usually film these weather videos the room is busy right now. So it's gonna be in my room for a little bit until my big studio room is clear.
And possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Sorry, I missed the previous warning.